Good morning, friends. As you know, I had promised you that I will give you something different on the 15th August, so I had made a speech and some quotes. Before the speech, I started with the one Hindi quotes. So let's start. अब तक जिसका खून न खौला, अब तक जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है। 15 अगस्त स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं दोस्तों। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द इंग्लिश स्पीच। Good morning, friends. Myself Ariom, and I am here to introduce us something about Independence Day. As you know, today is Independence Day. I made a speech for you, so let's start. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks of the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on the 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India become independence after the Lord's hardship and the sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day for Indian history and the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day full spirit and patriotism. Yeah. After in the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, unfolded the tricolor flag at the Red Fort on the national capital New Delhi for the first time. From the onwards, every we celebrate Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. In the addition of the army performed the tasks where include the march past cultural program by the school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day at the remember of the lives we sacrificed against this freedom, as there was once who struggles of our country. Furthermore, on this day we forget our differences and unities one true nation should. Let's say something about importance of the Independence Day celebration. We celebrate Independence Day on the vast scale of our country. Also, every government building decorate a tricolor lights in the orange, white and green just like a national flag. Furthermore, every official of the office staff, whether private or government, has to present in the office by the flag hosting ceremony is the singing our national anthem. Besides this, lots of the reason for celebrating our national Independence Day. Yeah, let's say something about Independence Day. The youth of our country has a power of change the nation. By this means some are friendly and said to be the future things in our younger generation. Hence it become the duty to serve the nation and makes a very possible efforts to make our country better. Once the main motive of the celebrating Independence Day is to make a young generation aware the sacrifices we have made make this country better place for them. Most noteworthy, it tells them how the country independence from the grasp of the Britishers. About these sacrifices our freedom fighters made the country. Also do it make our children aware for history of our country. To some of the gaining the independence from the British is not always too easy. It is because the struggle of hardship of our freedom fighters we now live free of our country. The Independence Day we remember a long battle of our freedom fighters from the blood sacrifices that they have made. Now I have finished my speech for I ends my speech with only one Hindi quote. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत दोस्तों, लव यू ऑल।